Welcome students, myself Deepchand Sharma, lecturer Instrumentation Engineering, Government Polytechnic College Kota, Control System Components IE 208। पिछले लेक्चर में हमने डीसी सर्वो मोटर्स के बारे में जाना था एवं उसके कंस्ट्रक्शन और वर्किंग, सर्किट डायग्राम, वर्किंग ऑफ फील्ड कंट्रोल डीसी सर्वो मोटर्स के बारे में विस्तार से अध्ययन किया। आज हम ट्रांसफ़र फंक्शन ऑफ आर्मेचर कंट्रोल डीसी मोटर्स के बारे में जानकारी लेंगे। ट्रांसफ़र फंक्शन ऑफ आर्मेचर कंट्रोल डीसी मोटर। The speed of DC motor is directly proportional to armature voltage and inversely proportional to flux in field winding. In armature controlled DC motor, the desired speed is obtained by varying the armature voltage. The speed control system is an electromechanical control system. We will discuss transfer function of armature control DC motor. तो DC मोटर की जो स्पीड होती है वो आर्मेचर वोल्टेज के प्रोपोर्शनल और फील्ड वाइंडिंग के फ्लक्स के इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल होती है। तो हम इन दोनों को ही कंट्रोल करके उसकी स्पीड कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं। द इलेक्ट्रिकल सिस्टम कंसिस्ट ऑफ द आर्मेचर एंड द फील्ड सर्किट, बट फॉर एनालिसिस पर्पज only the armature circuit is considered. Because the field is excited by a constant voltage, the mechanical system consists of rotating part of the motor and load connected to the shaft of the motor. The armature controlled DC motor speed control system is shown in the below figure, where let RA is armature resistance, LA armature inductance, IA armature current, VA armature voltage. EB is the back EMF, KT is torque constant, T is torque developed by motor, theta is angular displacement of the shaft, J is moment of inertia of motor and load, B is frictional coefficient of the motor and load, Kb is back EMF constant. The equivalent circuit of armature is shown in the figure. This one is equivalent circuit of armature. We apply Kirchhoff voltage law. By Kirchhoff voltage law, we can write IA RA plus LA DIA upon DT plus back EMF EB is proportional to applied voltage या armature voltage. The torque of DC motor is proportional to the product of flux and current. Since flux is constant in this system, the torque is proportional to IA alone. So T is proportional to IA or T is equal to KT IA. The mechanical system of motor is shown. The differential equation governing the mechanical system of motor is given by J d2 theta upon dt2 plus B d theta upon dt is equals to torque. The back EMF of DC machine is proportional to the speed, angular velocity of the shaft. So EB is equals to KB d theta upon dt. The Laplace transform of various time domain signals involved in these systems are L, VA, VAS, LEB, EBS, LT, TS, L. Laplace transform of IA is IAS. Laplace transform of theta is theta S. The differential equations governing the armature controlled DC motor speed control systems are IA RA plus LA DI upon dt plus EB equals to VA, torque equals to KT upon IA, J theta 2 upon T upon dt2 plus B d theta upon dt is equals to torque. EB back EMF equals to KB upon d theta upon dt. On taking Laplace transform of the above equation with zero initial condition, we get IA S RA plus LA S LA S plus EBS VAS. TS equals to KT LA IAS JS theta S plus BS theta S TS. EBS equals to KBS theta S. On equating the above equation 2 and 3, we get KTIS theta J S square plus BS theta S. IS J S square plus BS KT theta S. Equation 1 can be written as RA plus S LA IAS plus EBS VS. Substituting for EBS plus IAS from 4 and 5 respectively in equation 6, we get RA plus S LA JS square plus BS upon KT theta S KBS theta S VAS. Resolving this, we find this equation RA plus SLA into J S square plus BS plus KB KTS upon KT into theta S equals to VAS. The required transfer function of armature controlled DC motor is theta S upon VAS. You will get theta S upon VAS equals to KT upon RA plus SLA into JS square plus BS into KB KTS equals to KT RA into SLA upon RA plus 1 into BS 1 plus JS square upon BS plus KB KTS. This will become KT upon RAB S into 1 plus STA into 1 plus STM plus KB KT RAB first one, where LA upon RA is equals to T electrical time constant, JB is equals to TM mechanical time constant. Thanks. This is all about the transfer function of DC circuit.